All right, we're getting cheesy this Friday for Great, G-R-A-T-E Day, Connecticut, just in time for Valentine's Day and the Super Bowl Sunday.
Yes, I love the puns. All right, Lorin Richardson is showing us how to make a fun charcuterie board for both. Take a look.
Colorful, fun, and delicious.
It comes together so quickly, and when it does, the impact is a big wow factor.
Emily Love says charcuterie boards can be a simple way to say I love you, or let's eat. She's the owner of Make Food Lovely in South Windsor.
We eat with our eyes first. You see this plate of food and you think, wow. And then you see salami and a rose and you're like, this person loves me because they made that meat flour for me.
She says these boards take anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour, and anyone can do it.
It's so easy, and it's honestly just breaking down these steps and realizing like, oh, I could do that. That's just cutting a block of cheese with a knife in a different way than I've never thought of it before.
So I met up with Emily to learn how to make two very different boards.
Obviously, Super Bowl Sunday, It's coming. You know, charcuterie, you said, great way to entertain your guests, right? So what do we have here?
Okay, so this is my take on a crunch board, but a crunch board that would go really well with any kind of buffalo wing or chicken wing. So you have your celery, you have your carrots, you have your cucumbers. I have a creamy brie today, but honestly, you could put a big old hunk of blue cheese on there, and then like that could like grate over the top too, versus having a blue cheese sauce. I have a creamy elote dip, and then a a Gruyere and garlic dip, and then guacamole on there.
And turning a brie cheese into a centerpiece football.
Take a little salami, make a few slices, and put the laces
Oh my
on.
gosh, love that.
And then, you know, who day?
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah, super simple.
Love.
And
Easy
then
peasy.
just adding some texture to the board.
Do you want me to put the nuts in?
Sure, yeah. So anywhere there's empty space, just kind of find, find a sprinkling for it.
A touchdown platter.
So this is an easy snack you can kind of just put on the table, right? And everybody can munch and just enjoy it.
Yes, and everyone of all ages could enjoy this.
So this is my first time making a charcuterie board, and we're going to make a Valentine's Day charcuterie board. So tell me what we've got here.
Okay, we have a ton of cheeses. We have 3 different meats. We have jams and honey. We have fruits. We have vegetable, and then we have a lot of chocolates and sweets.
Step 1, the cheese.
So what we're gonna do is you are going to cut the top of the brie off with your knife.
Okay.
And you are going to use this cookie cutter and put it right in the middle.
Okay.
So then we're gonna take the jam
and spread.
And spread.
Right.
And then just place it on.
Oh.
And then you have this little sneaky
so pretty.
peek. It's so cute,
It's
right?
so pretty.
Working with hard cheeses.
So what we're gonna do is you're gonna take the knife and you're gonna push it down into the corner of one of the corners.
Yeah.
And you push and you twist your wrist as you push it down. And with aged cheddars, they kind of crumble off. No, it's perfect. And then
Oh,
you
it's
just
nice?
Yeah, that's great. Gorgeous. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna scoop all of this and you'll place it on one part of the board.
Thin slices.
Arrange it all the way along the border.
Adding some mozzarella and manchego. Step 2, the meats.
The salami rose, the famed salami rose.
Famed salami rose. Okay,
Great.
so you get your little Jell-O shot container, condiment cup, whichever you want to call it. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna count out 4 slices of salami.
Okay.
And you're gonna take each slice and push it down into the cup, but leaving about a third of it on the outside.
This?
Perfect.
The outer petals of the rose.
Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna count 5 slices of salami and you're going to put them in a chain.
Fold lengthwise.
Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna start at the end and you're gonna start rolling it up like you would roll up a sleeping bag.
Like, wait, just put this in?
Put it in there,
Yep.
And then just like fan out the petals a little bit and allow your rose to bloom. And then we have these mozzarella roll-ups. So there's a calabrese, there's a pepperoni, and then there's a prosciutto on there.
Awesome.
So
Step 3, the dips, honey and jam.
honey is fantastic on manchego. It's really good on brie. It actually pairs really nicely. It kind of like sweetens up this Merlot Bellavitano. It's lovely on cheddar.
Step 4, the fruit.
We're going to just take the grapes and we'll find places for them on the board. So you have some grapes too.
It's kind of like...
And yeah, and this is where you get the
Slay.
contrast and the pop of color on there. Okay. And the little strawberries.
I love the red, right? Yes, it pops.
Yes.
It makes everything pop.
It makes everything pop.
A kiwi star.
So some
completely
people
get
say
it.
chevron, some
Right.
people say zigzag, some people say
Right.
Charlie Brown sweater, and then,
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start filling in with all the extra goodies. So today I have some Belgian
my
chocolates,
gosh.
I have some stroopwafel cookies, I have some dark chocolate shortbread cookies, I have some macarons, I have salted caramels, I have strawberry coated pretzels, and oh my God, there's more stuff under there too.
And just look at this finished product. I mean, how gorgeous is this? So this is something you could do at home yourself. You saw we just did it, or of course you can contact Emily. She can do it for you. But yeah, I can't wait to try some of this. This is absolutely beautiful.
I hope you guys all enjoy it, and thank you so much for coming out and letting me teach you this. I mean, the classes are hands down my most favorite part
This was
of
so
this
fun.
business. So yeah,
This
I'm
was
so
so fun.
glad.
Thank
you so
you.
much.
And again, Emily also does several workshops where she provides the materials for the charcuterie boards.
Awesome. You get to make them and then eat them.
I love it.
All right, so for more details on the classes and how to make lovely food, make food lovely, I should say, you can go to makefoodlovely.com.
That's awesome.